Hi friends, so this is a control panel or starter of submersible pump. So inside this starter you can see one capacitor, one switch, one LED, two diodes and one resistor. And here you can see 5 ports. The first 2 ports, here we need to connect the power from the main power supply. And these 3 ports, here we can connect cable from the motor. So if you are confused with these ports, let me use the cover. There they mark the what is the use of each ports. So let me use this cover. Now here you can see two main you can see phase and neutral. So here we need to connect power from the main power supply. Then two motor, you can see red, yellow, blue. So here we need to connect cable which is going to motor. So this is a 3-core cable which is going to motor. In this cable you can see one red wire, one yellow wire and one blue wire. So we need to connect these 3 cables here like this. Okay, so let me remove the cover. So if you want to change this capacitor, sometimes motor will not start because of failed capacitor. So in that time we need to replace the capacitor. So first check the value of this capacitor, then by the same capacitor. After that we need to remove these capacitor cables. So these are the cables which is coming from the capacitor. You can see these 2 cables are connected to a red and yellow port, red and yellow. So just remove these 2 screws, then remove the cable. Then after that we can remove these 2 screws, then we can remove the capacitor. So this way we can replace failed capacitor or capacitor which is not working. So this is very important, when you connect this capacitor, make sure that you connected that to red and yellow port. You can use this cover and you can identify red and yellow port. If you don't have this type of cover, you can just use a circuit diagram. So this is a circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram you can see they mentioned connect this capacitor parallel to red and yellow cable. Okay, so let me show you another circuit diagram, and this is a circuit diagram. So here you can see phase neutral, that is coming from the main power supply. Then this circle, this is the motor. So inside the motor you can see one red winding, one run winding and one start winding. There's 2 windings, run and start, and parallel to these 2 winding you can see we can connect the capacitor. So this is a circuit diagram. So let me go to the second one. So here you can see phase neutral, then this is a motor, inside the motor run and start winding. Then you can see where this red, yellow and blue cables connected, red here, blue here, and yellow here and blue here. So this is the circuit diagram. So this way we can connect the capacitor and we can arrange the starter of the submersible pump. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.